Kevin's getting chased by cops. And
There, I have full. Okay, oh shit, that was just you guys.
you think a police helicopter would get this close to the ground? Kevin, get in. Oh my god, Chris. He dropped money.
Alright, well, I think we're even. I think we're even now. It's 3-3.
55 bucks, yeah. Alright, let's go.
Extreme parkour on that crane. It's your choice.
Let's do this. Alright, Chris, let us down, let us down, let us down.
And that's the only way. You gotta do this. Oh, no, wait, stop. Should we start from the bottom? Because there's some part. That fell. Parachute. It's like falling at like 100 miles per hour. Like, what?
Chris, get up here, look.
It like lands on Kevin's head.
Oh shit, no.
Prepare to be astonished.
That was.
Your mom was.
Alright, synchronized skydiver, here we go.